Welcome! Today, we're diving into one of nature's most nutrient-dense superfoods, the avocado. This creamy green fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with healing compounds. But what exactly makes it so powerful? Composition and active ingredients. Let's take a look inside one whole avocado, approximately 150 grams. Active compounds: oleic acid, C18, 1 and 9. Monounsaturated fatty acid, supports cardiovascular health. Beta-sitosterol, plant sterol, helps lower LDL, bad cholesterol. Lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids, protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Folic acid, vitamin B9, essential for DNA synthesis and cell regeneration. Vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, fat-soluble antioxidant, nourishes skin and boosts immunity. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, required for collagen production and immune function. Vitamin K1, phylloquinone, supports normal blood clotting. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, aids in energy metabolism. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine, important for nerve function and mood regulation. Potassium, K+, regulates blood pressure and fluid balance. Magnesium, Mg²+, supports muscle and nerve function. Dietary fiber, soluble plus insoluble, promotes digestive health. Supporting components: phytosterols, assist in blocking cholesterol absorption. Flavonoids, plant-based antioxidants, protect cellular health. Fatty acids, includes palmitic, linoleic, and stearic acid. Medical benefits: heart health, reduces LDL cholesterol and increases HDL. Digestive support, rich in fiber, it promotes regularity. Skin and hair nourishment, vitamin E moisturizes from within. Eye protection, lutein and zeaxanthin slow age-related vision loss. Blood sugar control, low glycemic index helps stabilize energy levels. Who should be cautious? Due to high fat content, portion control is advised for those managing weight. May cause stomach discomfort if consumed excessively. People with latex allergies should consult a doctor before eating avocado. Daily use. Recommendation: half an avocado per day is ideal. Enjoy in salads, smoothies, or as a spread. Pairs well with eggs for a nourishing breakfast. Avocado's nutrient profile makes it especially beneficial for the heart, digestive system, eyes, and skin. Regular consumption supports cardiovascular health, gut function, and slows cellular aging. Avocado isn't just a trendy food, it's nature's creamy medicine. Subscribe and join us daily as we uncover the healing powers of everyday foods. Thanks for watching.